These Chevy Express vans use transponder keys for security. Programming a new key pairs it to the van's immobilizer system. While dealerships can do this, DIY methods are now viable with affordable tools. You'll need to understand that these keys contain a 40-bit or 80-bit encrypted signal using GM's PK3 Plus protocol that must match the vehicle's seed code. The key fob includes a passive transponder that activates only when inserted into the ignition. The process involves cycling the ignition on-off in a specific sequence while the programmer reads/writes data via the OBD2 port. For DIY programming, you'll need a GM-compatible transponder key programmer like the Autel Maxi IM608 or Launch X431, a blank GM key with a transponder chip such as GM partner 22791422 and an OBD2 scanner. Ensure your van's battery is fully charged over 12.6 volts. The basic steps are: 1. Connect the programmer to the OBD2 port. 2. Follow the programmer's prompts to read the vehicle's PIN. If needed, a 10-minute security bypass may be required. 3. Program the new key by cycling the ignition as instructed. 4. Test the new key by starting the engine multiple times. Incorrect keys, low voltage, and tool incompatibility are common pitfalls.